Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we're diving into how to automatically hard wrap lines at a specific column in Visual Studio Code. Whether you're working with long lines of code, markdown files, or text documents, setting up a hard wrap can improve readability and ensure consistency. I'll guide you step by step through the process to make your editor work exactly the way you need it to. Let's get started. To automatically hard wrap lines at a specific column in Visual Studio Code, follow these steps. Click on the gear icon in the bottom left corner and select Settings. In the search bar at the top of the Settings window, type Word Wrap. Set the editor Word Wrap option to On if you want to wrap lines visually without modifying the file. In Editor.Word Wrap column, replace your desired column. Then install an extension for hard wrap. Go to Extensions and look for extensions like Prettier. Install it in the Extensions view for advanced wrapping behavior. That's it. Now you know how to automatically hard wrap lines at a specific column in Visual Studio Code. With this setup, your code or text will always stay neat and organized. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more quick tips, and I'll see you in the next video.